guys, it's Pinkstar and today I am doing this makeup look which I created with the Glamlite Cake Palette. You guys, this is such a nice palette. I think you would really enjoy this. So I hope you like this video. So I'll do all the swatches and then do this makeup look for you, and I hope you enjoy. Alright, so in the top row we have banana, pineapple, strawberry, lavender and blueberry. Pineapple is the only one that is a matte, the others are all shimmers. In the second row we have guava, which is this really pretty shade here, which is a shimmer. All the rest are mattes. We have peach, cranberry, oob, or Ubi, I'm not sure, and purple frost. In the third row we have carrot, which is this cool shimmery orange. We have raspberry, red velvet, birthday cake and icy mint, which are all mattes. And in the final row we have dulce de leche, probably murdered how you say that, cinnamon, which is this amazing shimmer, chocolate, blue raspberry, which is also a shimmer, and key lime. Okay, so I'm doing a voiceover because for some reason I forgot to turn my microphone on while recording this. But first off, we are taking the colour pineapple and we're going to be doing this on the inner corner of our eye. I have already put on some concealer on my eyelids and around my brows, just carving those out. But other than that, I don't have any other makeup on because we'll be doing our base afterwards in case we get much fallout. Alright, so next we are going to go in with the peach, and this will go next to the pineapple. And we're just making like a rainbow sort of gradient. This is actually like the prettiest colour. It's like a peachy, like orangey, pinky colour. It's so pretty, and it's like bordering neon colour. Yeah, I absolutely love it. Next we're going in with raspberry, and this is going next to that peach colour. At the moment I'm not worrying too much about the blending of the colours because I'll go back in and kind of fix up the edges a bit later on. I did go over a little bit of the peach, so I've just gone back in and fixed that up a little bit. Alright, now we're going to take purple frost and we're going to put this next to the raspberry colour. This is my outer edge corner, so I am just winging it out a little bit and just taking it down to meet the corner of my eye. Alright, now we're going to take this lilac colour ubi or whatever you call it, and we're just going to use that just to go around the edges, just to kind of blur everything and soften it all up a little bit. Right, now we're going to take Banana, which is this really pretty yellow shimmer, and we're just doing that on the very inner corners. Just using a really small brush to get into that corner, and this is honestly such a pretty yellow shimmer, like the best yellow shimmer I've ever seen. Right, now I'm just going back in and just trying to blend these colours a little bit better. So I'm just using a brush that doesn't have any pigment on it, just to kind of try and blur those edges. Alright, now for the fun part. I am attempting to cut my crease. I've just got some concealer on a really tiny brush. Yeah, I'm not the best at doing this, so please don't judge. But yeah, I am trying to do my best and just kind of patting that on and just trying to get the shape that I want for the cut crease. This isn't going to be like a full cut crease look, like really hard out cut crease, but I just want to have a nice clean area so that I can put down the shimmer afterwards. Alright, so that's about as good as it's going to get. So we are now going to get a brush and take the colour Cinnamon, which is that really pretty shimmery brown colour, and we're going to put that all over the lid where our cut crease is. And I'm just going to take a really tiny brush with the Cinnamon to try and get it right in that crease area. This colour definitely applies better with your finger than it does with a brush. Just for reference, all the shimmers generally do, but it didn't apply that bad with the brush itself, so this was with the brush. And on the side I went in with my finger just to try and pack that colour on as much as possible to see if there was much difference. It definitely went on a lot easier. I didn't have to go over it as many times with my finger, but overall it is about the same look. It just takes a lot longer with a brush to build up that colour. Alright, now I'm just blending out that purple edge of the cut crease. I'm just going over with a bit of the purple frost. Alright, so I've quickly done my base, and now we're going to go in again with that banana colour and just tidy up that inner corner, just because my concealer's kind of taken a bit of that off, and we're just going to go under slightly as well. Right, next we are going to be taking Key Lime, this really cool lime green colour, and we're putting that on the lower lash line, just in the corner nearest to where we've just put banana. And we're just going to take that about halfway on the lower lash. Alright, now we're going to take Icy Mint and put that next to the Key Lime. We're just building up another gradient underneath the lid. So we're focusing this on the very centre towards the outside of the lower lash line. And now we are going to be taking Birthday Cake, and we are putting this one once again on the lower lash line, this time on the outer corner. Just blending that into the Icy Mint and then blending it out. Alright, once this is all done, we are going to just get a bit more of the purple and just kind of blend the purple and the blue together at the outside edge. Alright, and now for one of my other least favourite things to try and do on camera, winged eyeliner. So we're just going to try and do a thin line at the beginning, and then make it a little bit thicker and winged out towards the edge. Just using the Better Than Sex eyeliner from Too Faced. Unfortunately, it's running out, but it is a really good eyeliner. Right, now for some mascara, I'm just using the Better Than Sex Too Faced mascara. This is my all-time favourite. If you haven't tried it, you really should. It is incredible. Alright, so I've just put some fake lashes on. Just did this off camera because they're fiddly. And now I'm just going to do my lips. Just using a lip pencil from XO Beauty. I think this one is Mari. And for lipstick, I am using Too Faced, I think it's called Sugar Biscuit. It's one of their Christmas edition liquid lipsticks. I really like this one, it's a nice pretty nude. And to top it off, I'm just going to use a gloss from Colourpop. I can't remember what colour this is. Yeah, the name is worn off the container, but I like this one. Alright, and that is it. We are done. So this is the finished look. Alright, so that is it for this makeup look. I hope you enjoyed it. I really enjoyed doing it. It's something nice and fun and bright and funky and perfect for Pride Month. So yeah, I'm really happy with how it turned out, and I love this palette. Honestly guys, if you can get your hands on this, you should. It's the Glamlite Cake Palette. It is so beautiful. Look at all those colours. Like, so stunning. So yes, 100% recommend this palette. So nice, like so pigmented and just stunning. So yeah, definitely would recommend that palette. So yes, that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If there is anything you want to see from me in the future, make sure to comment down below. And let me know what you thought of this look, and if it's something that you would try yourself, or if you had tried something similar, I'd love to see it. So yeah, so that is it for today. Thanks for watching guys, and as always, make sure to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more from me in the future. So thanks again guys, and I'll catch you all next time. Bye!